Random.
Well, I don't know what all that stuff is, so it'd probably be better for it to be random.
Okay.
He's got a sword. Remember, let me try this guy out, I guess. It doesn't even give me their names. Like, if I could get a name, I might be able to pull up a fragment of a memory in my head on what it actually is.
Commando, mercenary, sniper, cowboy. Don't know that one.
Assassin, I think.
The robot sucks. Engineer. One of them's a miner. The cook sucks. Critter sucks.
Yeah. Let's go. What is it, paused or something? I can't move. I can't move. Oh, I see. I can move. You have failed the city. Yeah, this guy's a little bit better, I can already tell. I can already tell. Like stopping him. Look at that. Run faster. That's what I needed. That's what I needed earlier. I think we can handle this one. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. I can tell. We're gonna be winners.
Taser.
Look at that. The box is 25. I only got 24. Yeah, that's what I need. You stand still for 2 seconds, you can heal up. Wow. Find a place to stand still at. Oh, I missed him. Negotiate. Alright, what is this stuff? See, the problem was
The
this.
piggy bank will end up giving you, you'll accumulate money faster. The heart will heal you out of fighting.
I need healing, huh? Rapidly heal outside of combat. That's what I need.
Yes.
That's what I need. It's nice to be able to heal. Praise Jesus for the healing power. So how are you supposed to get up there, I wonder? Oh, I see.
Down low.
Oh, how did I fall through the floor? I want to write them a letter now. Watch out for falling through the floor.
Mm-hmm.
Remember this little needle thing was something good.
The needle thing makes you shoot faster.
That's what I need. Like 10 of those. What's this
I got a
thing?
mortar.
A repair drone? Does that mean it heals you?
I don't remember. I think so.
Oh, that just meant repair the drone. Okay, it's just a regular shooting drone. It's nice to have. Well, this guy can shoot backwards. See, my other guy couldn't shoot backwards. He had to actually, like, turn around. Have we found the little plate yet?
Um,
I think it's about that time. What do you think?
yeah,
Best served cold. Oh, I was supposed to shoot all them things. Shoot.
you took this. Never mind.
That was from the little thing that I just opened up. Those bitty guys were running across
Why I
there.
said never mind.
Three enemies remaining.
Come on.
Me too. We got in all the boxes? Probably ought to hit it.
Hit it.
Yeah.
That's a lot of sirens. Ah, I didn't want to go here.
Yeah, I definitely got to figure out what all these things do. I done forgot. I
Yeah.
don't even know what my special move does that I've got. So I need to find out. Oh, it makes little balls. Okay, now I know what it does. Yeah, I got just enough money. What is this stuff? See, it doesn't say what it does. Which makes it a real pain. Did you hit the trap?
Nope.
This guy's pretty OP, killing enemies.
I could hit it though. You want me to hit it?
Yep. Oh no. Yeah, his most op move is he aims behind him while you're moving. You don't have to be pushing in the same direction.
Oh, that's good.
Now, Commando, that was a pain in the butt about him.
Mm-hmm.
Did you hit it?
I had already hit it a long time ago.
Oh, okay. So what you're trying to say is, you hit it a long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I hit it a long time ago too.
Mm-hmm. Is that all the boxes?
I was just trying to look, actually.
They're all on this side, so they're done on this side. There was only 1, 2, 3. 2 up top. There was one up there, and then one over here, and
Have
then
you
the
already
one
got
below
them
me on
all?
the left. Yeah.
All right, hit it. No, 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 no. I remember this level. Pretty hard.
Mm-hmm. I found the thingy already.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna hit it just yet, just because I don't have healing stuff.
Yeah.
Because I only have 5 things.
I've got like 8 things.
Mm-hmm. Wow, I can't go up.
Dealing damage heals you, that's what I need.
Guess I'm gonna try to go up this other side because I can't go up that side.
That's... Try to go up that side because you can't go up the other side.
Yeah.
A sound.
My guy does not jump.
White
Worth the
boys
crap.
can't jump. None of these guys jump unless you get the jump perk. If I remember correctly.
Healing damage heals you. I need that.
Yeah, I got some of that. And yes, it helps.
Attack faster at lower health.
Okay, you ready for me to hit the pad?
Well, you ought to go hit that thingy over there in the corner.
Got enough money. Oh yeah, I do.
Thank you.
Pad?
Go ahead. If you end up needing to heal, I've got one of these war banners over here.
I think I'm I'm doing okay this round as far as it goes.
Okay. Well, cool.
Uh-oh.
Oop. A ukulele?
Ooh, ukulele. Give me snow globe.
Get one of these things and I can pick the other one up.
Went to missiles. But okay. Alright, let's get out of here.
Was that everything?
I believe so.
Because I didn't go up top above here above you.
I think it's hard to get up there, but we're already on very hard.
Okay.
Might just not survive this level.
No.
Shots do not face that guy. No. Was there anything off over here on the bottom end?
I don't know.
Nope, there's nothing over there. Ocho.
Found the thingy already.
I'd go ahead and hit it.
There you go. I can't get the thingy.
What thingy?
The stuff that he dropped.
Oh, because you got too much stuff?
I guess so.
Yeah, I like grenades. You like that, huh? Yeah, come get some more. Got a lot of more. Got a lot of more.
Shit.
We would be honored if you would join us.
What's up, Tones? Probably would never make all these. No, I didn't think I would. Up, Bishop. Seen y'all kicking butt earlier on Apex. Holding down the zones.
You want that special thing?
What is it?
No, you got a better one. You got the wispy thing.
A taser.
I want that robot that's down here. There it is.
Go get you a robot.
You.
Ah, I did it. Then I missed that one. You got a boss down there?
Just one of those big, tall Cyclops things.
I think we ate this map up.
Yep.
Go hit the exit. All that money and nothing to spend it on.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
Yeah, we just playing some of this modern day retro stuff. Used to like this game about 6-7 years ago. If not longer.
Want me to hit it?
Yes. Never got ice when you need it. I'm the assassin. Played the commando last round, got my ass whooped. I used to be pretty good with the commando. I don't know what happened. I just wasn't getting the right upgrades in the game. If you don't get the right upgrades, you just kind of
Mm-hmm. Kind of just stuck.
kind of in trouble.
Alright, I am gonna go this way out on the map. No, I didn't want to fall all the way down. Damn it. Shit. Damn it.
Such language.
I just said shit and damn it.
You a swear jar, girl.
Mm-hmm.
But get rich off of your mouth.
Yeah, that's true. Hey. Oh, we didn't get to do any of
What?
those statue things.
We ain't really got time. Anyways.
What is that? Retaliate on taking heavy damage. Oh, it's a fire shield.
Critically strike low health enemies, yeah.
Here's your bucks.
I'd rather critically strike high health energy.
How much you got?
I ain't got enough money.
Oh.
I don't know how that happened. I'm supposed to be having a lot of money. Well, there's a bunch of boxes here.
Another fire shield. Ah, too bad we didn't have the key to open all boxes on the screen. We could open this one. Look, cost
Yeah,
$27.34.
yeah. You had the key perk.
Mm-hmm.
The only time I ever opened that one.
Yeah, me too.
Unless you had like the money perk.
I've had a lot of the piggy banks before and had a lot of money that way, but I never quite had enough for that one. I usually had the key.
I got enough money to open a box.
I'll go all the way out here to the right then.
You go over there and get ready to hit the portal, and you gotta hit it to where we proceed and not go back.
Yes, dear. Sirens again.
Somebody's house is burning down.
Or a car accident. Or a fight.
Or a fighting car accident.
That's true.
Or a car accident that broke into a fight because the other guy thought he was a dumbass.
Yeah.
Oh, I ain't even got enough money anyway.
Okay, so go ahead
Wait a
and hit
minute,
it.
wait a minute. Yeah,
It won't.
go ahead. Wasting our time.
Oh, take.
Here. That's where I need to be at over there. Oh, I'm dying. Got away. Kill you. Oh, that.
Did you find the gold key card?
No, I haven't found nothing, but I'm looking. Got 2 doors open.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta count for something.
Yeah. I wonder why we haven't found any dang grenades. I mean, not grenades, the key card.
Key card's in like the medical bay, isn't it?
They're in the gold trash can looking containers.
Then that's probably in the storage room.
No. I found one.
Oh, just Necro. My guy is not afraid to die. That's what I needed. Another jump. 2 jumps. Die when I shoot you. Come on. Need to retreat. Need to retreat.
Alright, I guess we need to...
Retreat. I need to do. I'll kill this boss though. My bot back. Chance to evade attacks, I'll take that. You already opened my box. Oh,
Alright. You can have that one. Do you want the healing thing or do you want the gun?
to move faster.
Hmm?
Said to move faster. What's to move faster?
Do you want the gun or the healing thing?
I don't care.
Probably the healing thing, huh?
I think we're gonna beat this game here in just a minute. We'll be all over with
Come
the
down.
grind. whenever I got to the big guys.
Come up here and open these boxes.
There's only one left to open.
These little squares on the wall, you can open those. And you can buy that one down on the bottom.
That's it.
There's more down towards the end.
Oh, there isn't.
Those two.
All they got is health in them.
Some of them have other stuff.
Die when I kill you. Let's pick it up. Alright, I'm getting out from over here. What are we going, upstairs?
Not all the way up to the very tip top, but because we don't have it, but we only had that one key.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
This is the gold key. Okay. You know what? Let's go. It's hard to
We
fight.
still gotta wait till that door opens. Your robot's over there.
Oh, it's back behind us.
No, over here by this other door.
No, I lost my big one somewhere. I don't know where. Downstairs, I think. But it's alright. We do not need it. Oh, look, I
Oh,
found the
cool.
card.
Let's go up top and top to the right, and we'll get the gun.
Nobody.
Here's your thingy up top.
The trouble I see. There's a key card.
Another key card?
Yeah.
Cool. So then we could go to the bottom right and get the other thing.
The box there, you got the money for it?
You? Oh, you went to this one instead of the bottom right?
This is the box room. Best one.
Okay. Oh, that box wouldn't open.
Come on, jump. Oh, my boy can't jump. Uncle. I don't even think we need any of this stuff to achieve victory anyways. We're already set.
That's why I was saying open the bottom right door.
jetpacks. Oh well, I ain't even gonna try for it. I don't need any of that stuff. Got plenty of stuff. But yeah, the key card's probably in one of those drums at the top up there, but we ain't got no rocket packs to get up there. Come on. He ain't got nothing. He ain't got nothing. Ain't got nothing, man.
Run from them yellow, pink
Okay,
circles.
okay. He still ain't got nothing. Die, fool, die. It's the worm. It's the tequila worm. That's what happens when you don't eat the worm in your tequila.
Mm-hmm.
Turns into that. It bothers people in outer space.
Did you click on the healing thing already?
I think it recharges, but yeah.
Mm.
Oh.
Hit that gun.
Heck. Yeah, the healing thing's recharged.
Yeah, we need that. I need it.
I'm fine. Oh, we gotta go hit the button, don't we? Well, there you've seen it. The game in all of its glory. It just took an assassin and an engineer. Well, now what are we gonna do?
Mm.
Got some ideals.
I guess we could try to go find you a big backpack.
Oh, Yeah, I don't really want to play that.
I don't really either.
I
Oh, look
want
at that. I
to
got a
play
new record.
something spectacular.
Hmm.
Got a new record after all these years?
Mhm. I got a new record on my total points.
I don't even see how that's possible.
It could be the time wise, because whenever I play by myself, I take my time. I take my time, and sometimes it takes me 2 hours to finish it, just because I collect every single box and everything. Ah.
Oh, yawn.
You hold down and it goes faster.
I am kind of tired. I hold down.
Mhm. See, look at that. You got a new record too.
I don't believe it.
Let me see.
Yeah, I gotta learn what these things do again if we're ever gonna play this on hard. Critical strikes, dealing double damage. I like this one.
Which one? Yeah, that's my favorite.
There's still some that I haven't unlocked. Oh, this is only for the chief sniper. Oh, those are challenges that those particular guys have got to do.
Yep. Mercenaries got to do 50 enemies.
Oh. Have 20 cleavers out at once.
Survive in the lava for a minute straight. I should have done that earlier.
Sounds pretty hard.
I could have done it because I had the healing thing.
Oh. Activate the third teleporter without being hurt once. Yeah,
Oh, wow.
right.
Actually, probably could have done that.
No. Commando was getting his butt kicked on the second level.
Oh, the commando. Yeah.
So we will just never know what this is here. It'd be nice if they could, like, tell you what it was. That way you'd have some incentive on whether or not you really wanted to try that challenge.
You don't have that one?
The bandit?
Yeah. Kill a boss with the lights out. Mine's done.
What do you get for it? Oh,
The bag of money.
bag of money.
Yeah. You get the bag of money and you get more gold. Just like the piggy bank.
Click on it and tell me exactly.
Oh. Every monster in you drops 10 gold.
Wow. Don't even have to kill them, huh?
Mm-mm.
Well, has anybody got any ideas on what we ought to be playing? We're taking requests. Just like I take requests whenever I'm singing. But I just keep singing anyway.
Hmm.
I think that our crowd is like
Wait, what
very
is this?
non-talkative. What?
What is this one?
Which way?
To the right of the
That
teddy
one.
bear. Ancient scepter. Oh. See, I don't have that one unlocked. But that's the mercenary. Beat the game on monsoon difficulty.
Yeah, I used to beat it on hard, but I don't think I'm that cool these days.
That
That upgrades your ability. What?
you have the star next to the rubber band.
Star next to a rubber band.
The red rubber band over here. That one.
This one?
That star. I guess because I don't play with the mercenary.
Killing enemies.
Eviscerate 50 enemies.
Generates a light beam that deals 100 damage. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yep, it's good to have things unlocked. Some of these really suck though.
Yeah, well,
I don't remember which one. I think it's this one right here. That thing will kill you.
yes.
It'll like kill everything else, but it'll kill you just the same.
It's just like the big blue rock. It drops meteor shower on everybody in the screen. Me, you, the bad guys. The reason this one will kill you is sacrifice 25% health to damage an enemy for 500 of your maximum health. 500% of your maximum health.
Yeah. It will kill you.
Yep.
Yeah, I think I remember that meteor too.